Hello and welcome to another special unboxing episode of Dad vs. Daughter. I'm Tim the Dad.
I'm Megan the daughter.
And today we are unboxing Touria. This is from R&R Games. And this is kind of a unique game where you're going to have 4 castle turrets that are going to dictate what actions you can take. And when you take those, you turn them and they're at each corner, and it all depends on which castle is facing you at the time.
Interesting.
And you're going around, you're picking up gems, and then you got to get back to the castle and find the princess.
Nice.
So let's see what's in the box. Okay, Megan, go ahead and open her up.
Okay. Let's see. There we go. Come off in a big sheet.
Might want to show the back first before.
Yeah, let's do that. There's a lot of wording because it is in several different languages. So that's pretty cool. And you have some pretty cool artwork over here. And again, all the different languages and the different bubbles that tell you your components. So that's pretty cool. Already the board looks pretty nice. So let's go ahead and actually look at it.
Ooh. So what do we have here? We have, these are reference sheets,
This is the
I guess.
English one that we will be using.
This is
The towers
German
and their
and French.
actions. Yeah, so yeah.
You have 2 French?
No, this is French.
No, that's one's French and one's Russian. This is French.
So that's Russian.
That must be Russian.
I don't know
Yeah.
flags. We should watch more Big Bang
Fun with flags.
Flags. Okay, so here's the game board.
Ooh.
The artwork on the back's pretty cool.
This actually is a good sized box
It
here.
is.
Let me see if I can pull this camera back and get
Yeah.
a better shot of this. Here.
There we go. That's really cool. It's just the same artwork that's on the front, but it's nice to have it on the back.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. And then, here's the other side. Yeah, this board is kind of big. But it is pretty cool, too.
Yeah, that castle looks pretty cool.
That is. You've got all the different colored sections, like up here.
You got where
the dragon.
where the castle turrets are going to go.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool looking. Got a lot going on, but it does look really cool.
That is a big size board. I
Mhm.
didn't realize it was going to be that big.
Yeah. Then we have some punch outs.
Your favorite part.
That is my favorite part. So we have a lot of punch outs here.
So yeah, we have player screens.
Oh, that is kind of cool.
Because you keep things behind it.
Mhm.
And you got, of course, that's the top of your turret. Here's
Turret. That's
the
cool.
sides of your turret.
Already punched something out. But stuff's just already getting punched. I just can't wait, guys. Just put that in the lid. Here we have some more.
More of the same.
Mm-hmm. So your turrets, your player screen. You got more of the reference guides.
Except this is,
Different language.
yeah, this is different languages.
And then you have a how to build your turret, which that's always helpful.
As a punch out.
That's kind of nice. We have another one. So we have 3 boards of punch outs. So we got that. And the artwork on the back. That's kind of cool. And then here we have a tiny rule book compared to the game board, but it is pretty thick, probably because we have all the different languages.
Yeah, I'm sure.
So let's actually show off the English one so people might be able to actually like understand when we show it up. Okay, here's the English part of the rule book. So very detailed though. And very thick, just because you do have all the languages. That is pretty cool.
So really only about 6, 8
Well,
pages.
yeah, but just because you have everything in here. So you've got a really nice cloth bag, which is always cool. Cloth bags are fun. And we've got a wooden dice with painted dots. They're not stickers.
Remember, 1 dice is
Yes.
a die.
A die.
A die.
Did I say dice?
You said dice.
It's a dice. Oh.
We actually had a viewer comment that they
Oh.
said that was one of their pet peeves when somebody refers to one
well,
dice
I'm sorry.
or one
about
die
that.
as dice.
So here, you can hold your hands out for the gems because there are multiple gems.
Yeah, these are kind of
Those
cool.
are actually kind of cool. They're kind of like the escape gems.
Yeah, Escape Curse of the Temple.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. All
Yeah.
different colors.
Yeah, those easily go in a Gerber container.
Definitely. With the die.
Yeah, with the die.
With the die and all our punch outs.
So that is really all there is.
Pretty much. Basic insert will definitely probably be Gerberizing and butterizing.
Well,
There are kind of a lot of punch outs.
well, we're gonna have to fit 4 of those turrets in there. So yeah, I'll just put the gems in the bag
Yeah.
for the time being.
So we don't lose them. But yeah, so that is that.
That is Touria.
Touria.
So we will catch you guys next time.
Bye.
Like and follow us on Facebook to stay current on our show schedule, sneak peeks at future shows, and to interact with us.